Woe is me, unlocking its meaning. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a unique and old-fashioned English phrase, woe is me. By the end of this video, you'll understand its origin, meaning, and how to use it in conversation. At its core, woe is me is an expression of sorrow or distress. When someone says this, they're expressing a feeling of sadness, regret, or even self-pity. It's like saying, alas, or poor me. Woe is me might sound a bit old-fashioned, and that's because it is. This phrase finds its roots in ancient literature, including the Bible. The use of woe in this way can be traced back to Old and Middle English. It's an archaic way of saying, I am in distress, or misery is upon me. In modern English, this phrase isn't as commonly used in daily conversation as it once was. However, it's still understood by most native speakers. When you do hear it today, it's often used dramatically or humorously to emphasize sadness or frustration. For instance, if someone missed out on buying the last piece of cake, they might playfully exclaim, woe is me. Let's see how woe is me might appear in various contexts. 1. After dropping her ice cream cone, oh no, woe is me. 2. Seeing a long line at the post office, woe is me, I'll be here all day. 3. In a theatrical play, a character might lament, woe is me, for I am undone. It's important to note that while these examples might make it seem like a frequently used phrase, it's typically reserved for more exaggerated or dramatic contexts in contemporary English. So there you have it. Woe is me is a classic English phrase that's all about expressing distress or sorrow. While it might not be in everyone's daily vocabulary, it's a fun and expressive way to emphasize sadness or frustration. We hope you found this video enlightening, and the next time you want to add a touch of drama to your expressions, you'll know just the phrase to use. Happy learning!